Welcome to Touchlighter channel. In this video we'll be looking at how to take a screenshot on your computer. Now, to take a screenshot, all you need to do is to use the Windows sniping tool or other softwares that you can download from the internet, like the screen rec software and other programs that you can use include Camtasia and screencast. Okay, now to take a screenshot, all you need to do is to go to your search bar here and then type sniping tool. You see the sniping tool up there. You click on it, it brings out this little dialog box here. Now you can click on new to take a new snipe. Now it makes the screen of the computer a bit dim, so with the and then there is a cross sign there to select the area you want to snipe. Now assuming I want to snipe this area of my screen, okay, I want to snipe this area of my screen. Assuming I want to snipe this area of my screen, I just click on it and then it gives me the snipe. Then I can now save it as a new picture. Sniped screen snipe. Okay, screen snipe. Then you can pick the format you want. Mostly either it is a portable network graphic, a PNG file, or GIF or JPG file. Okay, the common file forms. Okay, you can pick on JPG file and then click on save. Now I have successfully sniped a particular area of my screen. So if I want to snipe another area, I just click on new. And then it brings up it dims the screen again. I can now pick the area I want to snipe. Okay, so all you need to do is just go to your search bar and click on and type sniping tool. You get it there. Or alternatively, click on the Windows Home program, all apps, and then scroll down to Windows accessories. You see sniping tools there. Sniping tool, click on it, and then that is your sniping tool. And then click on new to begin a new snipe. So that's how you use a sniping tool to make a snipe, to capture a particular section of your computer. Now you can also use the screen rec software. Okay, for example, the screen rec software is over here. Okay, you can use it to capture a particular section of your screen. Now likewise, you can also make use of the VSDC video editor also to capture your screen. You download the VSDC from the VideoSoft website and then install it on your laptop and then or your computer and then or desktop, and then click on open it and click on screen capture. When you click on screen capture, it brings out these settings for you to take where you can pick your format. Okay, now I want my format in any format you want to pick here. Okay, and then you click on start recording and it starts recording your screen. Okay, so that's how to take a screenshot of your computer desktop, of your computer screen. Okay, thank you for watching this video. If you like the video, don't forget to ask your questions in the comment and share with your friends, and also hit the subscribe button for more videos like this. Thank you and bye for now.